अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मुबीन IT कंसल्टेंट की तरफ से खुशामदीद। वेलकम। Last time we discussed about MCSE and Cisco. I mean Microsoft and Cisco. And today we will start properly Cisco certification CCNA. And in the starting, I will discuss about the basic configurations of the router and switch and basic difference between router switch and layer 3 switch. Here I already installed packet tracer. I hope this packet tracer you have already installed in your system, and here is the devices. I just pick any one router and any one switch. Here is layer 3 switch. What is the main difference? Main difference, you can see just a circle cursor. Look at this one. Only 3 port available: Gigabyte Ethernet and VLAN 1 and host name. Here you can set layer 3 switch. Lot of ports here. Lot of ports. Also layer 2 switch. Lot of ports. Properly you can see that. Just enter any. Here is behind side of the switch. Physically behind side. Just you can see that here. These are a lot of ports. Another side you can see just router and look that difference. Only 3 ports, 4 ports, 5 ports. So you can attach more ports here in router, but main configuration is that router used for the communicate between two network and more network communicate, but this switch can be used for the traffic control. Low occlusion means low traffic problems, properly send the packet one way to another way, good power quality between one side to another side, good power bridge between one side to another side. This is the main difference between router and switch. Also, both are can use in command line interface. Here is command CLI. Here is a command. Both you can use in command line interface. In in a Cisco, can say that is a flash operating systems. Let's start first, and I will tell you about between layer 2 switch and layer 3 switch. Look at this similarly ports and look at the similar ports. Not much difference, but difference is layers. In a coming lecture, I will discuss about the layers. That is very important for in networking because every layer have a own job, and that job is very important for the every layer. So let's start basic configuration of the router and switch. Just I down just one look at this one switch one. I enter just here. Type here enable, 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 enable. Just in a shortly you can type en. Okay, enter. That is standard mode. Here is our administrator mode. Okay, just you can enter here. You can see what is basic configuration in switch. Let's check. Just type the command show running configurations. Just when you type the show and also run and press the button tab, that switch will automatically get the command whole complete command. Just enter. Here you can see that basic switch informations. How many ports work here? Look that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. At this time, at this time, this switch have a 24 ports. Only fast internet, not giga. Giga ports another one. Only giga port 2 available. Another one is 24. And what is the basic configurations? Look that there is nothing any configurations. I will put step by step configurations and you will follow the configurations. How can put the configurations here? Just here we'll go to step forward in administrator mode. Just a standard area, and next is the administrator modes here. Just type config, press tab, configure, terminal. Just tap terminal and enter. Here you are configuration terminal. Here you can set the port. Here you can enter the every one port. I mean one by one port. For example, if I enter that 23 port, if I enter 1 to 23 port, just how can to enter? Enter face fast. I type here 0/24 0/23. Here is 23. Okay, let's enter. Here we are in 23 port. As usually we can enter every port similarly conditions. I want to exit from this port. Just type exit exit. Is exit. So let's start about password. Definitely password very important for everywhere, for strong and make a security. Do not touch to any people. Anyone can enter in router or switch. Just how can to configure a password? Let's see. Here we will type enable, and also if you want to more information related to enable, just type shift and question mark. Here you can see that only two information you can use here, and two command can use here: password and secret. I will tell you about the password and secret. Password, you can see password in the running configuration, but the secret, you can never see the secret in the configurations, in the running configurations. Running configuration means when you type the password numbers, anyone thing and things, just you click the show running config command, then you will see that the password will show you in running config command. I will tell you how. Look that here, enable password. I type the password Here I enter the password. You can see here I enter the password, or I want to see if the password is set or not. Just check. How can I want to exit from this place, then can see that. Otherwise, if you want to see here, you can type sharply to run show. Sorry, sorry, show run. Yes, he can see that password. Here I set the password. May you have understand. I tap the control Z directly to in standard command mode. Just enter here in configuration mode, in administrator configuration mode. I want to I want to set the secret password. How can we enable secret password? Exit, enable, enable secret. Just I type, you can see password here, but after you can see where will be password. Here I enter, do show run. Look the difference. Enable secret, enable password. This is the main difference. This command can use both side, router and switch. Both side can use these commands. And let's start about more information related to the switch. I want to set the name. Just I want to set the name. I want to change the switch and set the name. How can just host name. I want to add the name mobeen IT. Like that. This I enter. Here you can see that switch change the name. You set the name mobeen IT consultant. Let back. I want to check the password or password is not set or not set. Just I want to tell you here which one password will be first and which one password will be second. Let's check how I exit from this router properly. Here is exit, completely exit. Here you are in exit frame. Exit from the router. Just I enter, enable. Here this switch want to ask you password. I want to type a password. Look that. That password only work on the secret, not of the password. For example, I exit again. Exit, enable. Look that, not working. Because password is not working, secret is also working here. Look that, secret is working here, password is not. That show that, I mean, in a switch or router anywhere, you can set the secret password. That's important than simple password. May you have understand at this time. And let's start next. Just going to configuration mode. Let's see. Here I'm in configuration mode, and I want to If you want to see what kind of configuration you want to, just you can see, or you can see that here. There are a lot of information you can to use through command. No any problems here. Easily can use command here. Next, I will tell you about how can to set the message. I mean, when you enter to switch or router, the computer will show you message related to the information. Here is also considered informations. Where we have to use that? Here is banner. Understand here? Just banner. Banner. Type question marks here, and also type here shift and hash here and enter. Here will enter the message. Any type of message you can to set here. Mostly we set the message for the when the router or switch, anyone who administrator enter to the router or switch, they will see the message the router or switch are active or not active, or what kind of message that man show here. Just enter here, and also press shift and hash and enter. Your password have set. Let's see, check. I exit from this place, also from this place. I'm totally exit here. Just I enter here. Here you can see that message. Welcome to Mobeen IT Consultant. Just enter password. Here is the password enter. Now let we see that how can to remove the password or secret password from the switch or router. Let's see how. Similarly, we go to configuration mode. Here we are in configuration mode. It's simple. This nothing big problems, nothing big type of the command. Just type first enable secret, and just in the starting you will type no in the space. Enter. Your password secret will be removed from the switch. Let's check. Do show run. You can see that no password. Also want to remove this one, no problem. Just no enable password. Show run, sorry, to show run. You can see that no password. In a coming lecture, we will discuss more command, more information, more configurations. Today I will finish here because these are command based area that can be problem for the fresh student in CCNA. This is also physically commands you can just see in the router or switch. Nothing any difficulty. Just easily access anywhere, any place. Only for those people who are going to start a CCNA. This lecture will be very useful for them because they understand basic information, command line, the how can to use router, switch, and layer 3 switch. Same and much difference between layers. In the coming lecture, I will discuss about the layers and also basically we start here switch. First we will finish the switch and also in between switch I will discuss about the layers because layers are very important anywhere in the switch or routers both sides. That layer is very important. Also mentioned in the Cisco, Microsoft certifications like MCP, MCSA, MCSE. These certification will show you about the layers, what's main configuration means, understanding of the layers that means. Okay, everyone, thank you very much once again, and please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.